With this AI tool, you can add movement to your images. You can use this in your African folktale video to bring more life to your story. You can also use this in any video that you are working on. To use the Kling AI website, follow the link under the description of this video or in the comment section of this video. It will take you to this website. When you get to this website, you will need to sign in. To sign in, click on sign in for free credit. If you already have an account, you can enter your email and your password. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up for free. From here, you will have to enter your email address, your password, confirm your password, then click on next. And after signing in, it will take you to this particular interface. From here, you can either create AI images, create AI videos on this website. Those are the two things you can do on this Kling AI website. If you scroll down, you see other creations other people have done. If you want to create AI image, simply click on AI images. From your left hand side, you can enter your prompt inside this place, or you can use a reference from an image that you already have. Then here you select the aspect ratio that you want to use. Then at this down side, you select the generating count. Now I will enter my prompt. Then I will come down and select 16:9. Then click on generate. It's going to generate 4 images. After some few minutes, your AI images are going to be generated. To take a preview of this AI image, click on one of them and you can see how realistic and detailed this AI image is. To take a look at the other ones, you can click on this arrow button and you can see other AI images that you have. You will see you can use this image as a reference. You can bring this image to life, meaning you can transform this image to a video. To transform this image, you click on bring to life. From here, you can download your image. Now that you know how to generate AI image on this website, let me show you how to animate your AI image using this website. To do that, go back to the home page of the website. Now click on AI videos. Then from here, we have text to video, we have image to video. If you scroll down, if you select text to video, at default, it is on text to video. From this prompt area, you can enter your prompt. You can come down here, you select the aspect ratio you need, select the mode. If I'm going to be using the standard mode, I will select that. You select the duration, either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. This 10 seconds is for pro users. You can come down, select the aspect ratio, either 16:9, 9:16, and 1:9, 1:1 aspect ratio. Then, if you want to make use of the image to video, which is the one we are going to be using, select image to video. From here, click to upload the image you want to animate. I will select the image I want to animate and upload. After some few seconds, the image has been uploaded. Come down, you can describe your ideas inside this place, but it is optional. Then come down and click on generate image. And after some few minutes, you have your video ready. Take a preview of this video. And this other one was also created using this website. From here, you can add what is called lip sync. But if you want to add a lip sync to your animation, you make sure that it is consistent. The face is consistent and it is visible looking at the camera. To download your video, simply come down here and click on this download button.